Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to use fenugreek seed to achieve massive hair growth. If you want to stop your hair from shedding, and if you have dandruff on your hair and you want to stop that as well, you need to keep on watching this video. Please do not forget to click on the subscribe button. Thumbs up for this video if you found this very helpful and useful. And on this channel I share natural hair growth tips, beauty, lifestyle, and entertainment. Let's get into this video, guys. Fenugreek seeds are rich in protein, iron, and vitamins that prevents hair loss, dandruff, baldness, and hair thinning. It helps in preventing so many scalp issues. So today I'm going to be using the combination of fenugreek seed, Amla oil, and other essential oils which promotes hair growth, and this will result in stronger hair follicles, softness, and hair shine. So I got my fenugreek seed from a store. You can check online for fenugreek seed or buy from your local store. So you need a jar for this. I'm just pouring in the fenugreek seed in the jar, and I'm going to be going in with hot water. So what you want to do is you want to pour enough water that will cover up the seeds, because the seeds are going to swell and they may consume the water. So you want to pour enough water that would cover up the seeds. So I'm just going to be filling the water almost up to the brim of the jar. Now I'm going in with my Amla anti-dandruff hair oil. So this hair oil helps to prevent dandruff, itchy scalp as well. So I'm just going to be adding one cover of that into the oil, and then I'm going to be adding my other essential oil. This oil contains olive oil, coconut oil, argan oil, grapeseed oil. So you can use any oil of your choosing. People use peppermint oil, rosemary seed oil, so you can use any oil of your choosing here. So I'm just going to cover it up now, and I'm going to keep it somewhere for at least 12 hours. Okay, so by the time it's up to 12 hours, the seed should have swollen up, and they should be soft enough. So then I'll be able to extract the mixture. After 12 hours, this is what the mixture looks like. It has this yellowish brownish color to it. So I'm just going to be extracting this mixture using my sieve and a bowl. I'm just going to be pouring the mixture right into the bowl so that we can extract the water and the oils from the seed. You can use the rest of the seeds, you can blend it and use it to make an hair mask for your hair instead of just discarding it. Now that I'm done extracting, I'm just going to be pouring that into my spray bottle. I'm just going back in to add more of the oils that I added initially in the beginning. I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to apply this oil on my hair. So you can use this oil as a pre-poo before you wash your hair, and you can also use this mixture as a leave-in conditioner after you've washed your hair. So you can use it when you make your hair, just spray it in your hair. It smells like maple syrup actually, so if you don't like the smell, you can add oils that will take away the smell for you. So I'm just going to be spraying it in between on my roots and working it all the way down to my hair. Let me know what you think about this video, guys. Have you ever tried fenugreek seed? Are you going to try it? I suggest you try this, guys. If you want your hair to grow, try fenugreek seed. It has so many benefits. If you want to, let me know what other videos you'd like to see on my channel. Give suggestion. I like to read your comments down below. Thank you guys so much. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.